So 3-year update. I have been using this compressor for literally over 3 years now. I think, in my humble opinion, this is the perfect size for the average home consumer. But you don't want to go much lower than this because then you really run out of things that you can do with it. This is a 6-gallon compressor and it's a Pancake compressor, and it doesn't take oil, but it can get up to 150 PSI, which is going to be plenty to do all the things you're going to need with it. Very simple to use. There's a bleeder valve on the bottom. All you have to do is make sure it's closed if you're going to fill the tank with pressure, and then when you're done using the tank, you open it up and let all the pressure out of the tank. But you just turn it on, set it to your desired pressure wherever you want it to be with the gauge there. And there are so many things you can use a compressor with just to blow out all of the sawdust off of your work. I recently had a leak in my tire, so you can get ends to blow up your tire at home instead of going to the gas station, and pneumatic tools. I've used lots of different brad nailers and guns and things. Instead of hammering by hand, you can just use a pneumatic nailer to do all of your nailing. It's way easier, but this thing has been a workhorse for me. It's the perfect size for the home use. It's going to allow you to use all those tools, but you don't really need much more than this in my opinion. So after 3 years, I still love this thing. I'm still very happy with it. I don't think I'm going to ever need a new one in my lifetime. This is something that I use and that I enjoy and that I would definitely recommend.